In this video, you are going to see how I made this beautiful slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick this curve shape and draw it like this. Now select it, go to Shape Format, go to Shape Fill, make it No Fill. Now again go to Insert, go to Shape, pick our rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Now select the rectangle and hold down the Ctrl key and select this line. Go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape and click on Subtract. Now we need to add a picture from my computer. Go to Insert, Picture, this device. Let me select this picture. Place it over here and increase its size like this. Click on right button and send it to back. Select this shape, go to Shape Format, Shape Fill, White Fill Color, Shape Outline, make it No Outline and select it. Click on right button, go to Format Shape, go to Fill and increase the transparency to 15 points. Now we need to add some text. Go to Shape, pick a text box, drag it over here, right here, visit beautiful places, make it uppercase, change the font, place it center, increase the font size, place it like this. Select the text, go to text fill, go to eyedropper and select a fill color from here. Go to Insert, Shape, pick a text box, add over here and add some description. Place it over here. Change the font and decrease the font size and keep it like this and make it center and place it over here. Go to Insert, Shape, pick an oval shape, hold down the Shift key and drag it over here. Go to Shape Fill, make it yellow fill color. Go to Shape Outline, make it No Outline. Go to Insert Icon, select this icon, click on Insert. Go to Graphics Format, Graphics Fill and make it white fill color and place it over here and rotate it like this and decrease its size. Select it, go to Shape Fill, change the fill color and select this color and go to Insert, Shape, pick a rectangle shape, drag it over here. Go to Shape Fill, go to eyedropper and select a fill color, click on over here and add some text here. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate. Place it over here, select it, Shape Format, Shape Fill, select another fill color. Now let me select the image. Go to Animation, go to Add Animation. Under the Motion Path, click on Lines and Effect option to the left. Increase the duration to 5 seconds and make it with previous and go to Animation pane, click on over here. Go to Effect option, click on Auto Reverse, go to Timing and make it until end of the slide. Click on OK. Now let us watch the slideshow. And here you will see this is looking very beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family.